Dear students, detailed civil engineering courses like manual building design, STAAD Pro, ETABS, SAP, Revit, AutoCAD, Primavera, P6 are available at Civil Engineering Shravan online application app. So download the application from the Google Play Store now. Each course contain 50 plus high quality video contents and free PDFs and exercises, and online certification will be provided after completing the course. Course will be available at 67 to 70% discount now and valid up to 6 months. Download civil engineering application now from Google Play Store, or direct link is available at the description of this video. Try to utilize this offer.
Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. In this video, I will explain you complete details about the offers which I am providing in Civil Engineering by Shravan application related to STAAD Pro software as well as the ETABS software. First of all, please download my application Civil Engineering by Shravan application from Google Play Store, or else direct link is available in the below description of this video. Why? Because I am updating the new content related to the free content as well as the paid content for the various softwares like STAAD Pro software, ETABS software, SAP software, and manual calculations also in our application for upcoming videos. So in this video, I will explain you the offers which I am providing for the STAAD Pro software as well as the ETABS software. So here I was launched STAAD Pro software, which is consisting of 51 to 53 quality content videos with 25 to 26 PDFs and more exercises regarding that particular concept. For example, if you consider in STAAD Pro software, there are different types of the concepts are there, like beams design concepts and portal frames design concepts, building design concepts, and water tank design concepts. You can check these contents in the app. So it is available with individual content, like in the beam content, I was explained what are the different types of the beams which are there in building design considerations, and what are the different types of the load cases we need to consider for that particular beam sections, and how to design that particular beam sections by using STAAD Pro software with 4 to 5 exercises I was provided in that PDF. Okay, so I was explained around 2 to 3 examples, then after that I was provided some of the exercises regarding that particular section. Okay, so then after that I was explained some of the examples related to portal frames design section, okay, according to IS 456-2000 code provision standard system. So then after that I was explained some of the concepts related to building design concepts, like how to consider the building design sections and how to model the frame sections like beam sections, column sections for the project. Okay, so I was explained 2 methods, like regular method as well as the structure wizard method. Okay, so how to model the building structural model, regular method, one video is there, and structure wizard method is also there. Then after that I was explained how to do the seismic analysis, loading condition system, and introduction to the seismic analysis, and what are the parameters we need to consider for the seismic analysis. In the same process I was done with complete concepts related to wing loading analysis as per IS 875 part 3 code. Okay, in the same way I was done with the complete calculation of the manual calculation of the dimensions of the water tank for the different shapes like rectangular shape, circular shape, intage water tank. I was done with covering of the concepts related to this and transmission towers, and I was explained some of the basic projects which are considered for the real-time applications like G+1 building, G+3 building structural model. Okay, so this is the basic introduction to STAAD Pro V8i software. So in the previous session I was provided this STAAD Pro software with the flat 1000 rupees discount by applying STAAD 1000 coupon code. This coupon code is also applicable up to 25th of this month. Maybe it is tomorrow 25th. So it is valid up to 25th of May. After this 25th, this course will be only offer of regular offer 50% discount. Okay, this is the basics related to STAAD Pro software. So if you want to learn complete STAAD Pro software from starting point to ending point, so this high quality videos will be help you to cover all the concepts related to STAAD Pro software, main important concepts. Now I will explain you the ETABS software. In the ETABS software also I was covered approximately 52 videos. So in these videos I was explained some how to select the code book and how to select the IS specifications and how to select the grid data, story data based on your regular typical floor plan, and how to consider the load cases and how to calculate the dead load and how to apply those particular load cases for the building, and how to take the external loads and internal loads, and how to calculate the seismic load intensities according to 1893 code book provision standard system. In the same process I was covered how to calculate the wing loading section as per IS 875 part 3 code, and how to apply those load cases for the structure, and how to do the detailing for the building structural model in detailing software. I was covered all these concepts. This ETABS course is also valid up to 25th of this month. So if you are not yet subscribed to this particular course, please subscribe to that particular course. It is under offer now. It is valid up to 25th of May. So after 25th of May, this course will be available only 50% flat discount. Okay. So now I am providing this course approximately 67 to 70% discount on this particular course. If you are able to purchase this course after 25th of this month, you can able to purchase this course at a flat 50% discount only. Okay. And if you want to text me in personal about this particular course, my WhatsApp number is also available in application Civil Engineering by Shravan application. You can download that application, which is available at the description of this video link. These two courses related to STAAD Pro course as well as the ETABS course are valid up to 6 months from your date of the registration. Okay. So this is the basic reminder about the courses which is expiring on 25th of this month. Remember this date, 25th of this month is the end date for the offer related to STAAD Pro software as well as the ETABS software. Okay. So in my upcoming sessions of the courses, I will develop SAP 2000 course. This SAP 2000 course will be available from the 1st June. Okay. From the 1st June, I will provide you some of the offers related to SAP 2000 course. So in my upcoming courses, I am developing courses related to Primavera P6 software and SAP 2000 software, AutoCAD software, Rivet architectural software, and manual design of the building. Okay, so manual design of the building I will explain you with 5 modules. Okay, related to G+1 building, like G+3 building, commercial building, and residential building, apartment building. How to consider the specifications. From that particular specification, how to calculate the reinforcement with manual method for the practical example problems. Okay, so these are the upcoming courses in our application Civil Engineering Shravan application. So the STAAD Pro course, complete STAAD Pro course as well as the ETABS course is under offer now, which is valid up to 25th of this month. Utilize this offer. Why? Because this offer will not be provided upcoming sessions for the STAAD Pro as well as the ETABS. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. So see you in the next video. Thank you.
Dear students, detailed civil engineering courses like manual building design, STAAD Pro, ETABS, SAP, Rivet, AutoCAD, Primavera P6 are available at Civil Engineering Shravan online application app. So download the application from the Google Play Store now. Each course contains 50 plus high quality video contents and free PDFs and exercises, and online certification will be provided after completing the course. Course will be available at 67 to 70% discount now and valid up to 6 months. Download Civil Engineering application now from Google Play Store, or direct link is available at the description of this video. Try to utilize this offer.